Hi everyone, my name is Nikhil Jain. I, along with my friend Harsh Kishan Verma, have created this digital drum kit project. Idea behind this project was imagine user does not have to buy a drum kit, and the drum kit involves so many different instruments that a user can use a simple web page like this and keystrokes and a keyboard to simply play simple beats with your keyboard and mouse. Some features that we have given is a volume control to control the volume. User can press either these keystrokes that are present in these boxes or can go use his or her mouse to play these sounds. It also gives a very good UI to the user, so it is very interactive. Also, the user is giving the instructions on how to play. Not only this, it's a very basic implementation of what we were trying to build. It can be created with more complexities as well. For example, we can have not only just the drums, we can have the piano as well as other instruments that are very hard to buy or are expensive. User can use this simple website and it can be extremely cost effective for users to play beats and play music. That was the idea, and we thought it's a very unique idea that we should work on, and it actually provides a lot of value. So thank you, Bolt, for giving us this opportunity to create our project. Thank you so much.